This is too bright.
Good job. Hey. They're walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she stopped in front of me. She said, hey girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Hey girl, do your thing, do your thing. I said, little Sally walk. We're walking down the street. Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Hey girl, do your thing, do your thing. I said, little Sally walk. We're walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she stopped in front of me. She said, hey girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Hey girl, do your thing, do your thing. That's it. All right. So I'm gonna do Simon Says. So when I do Simon Says, you have to do the move I call. Okay? If I don't say Simon Says, if you do it anyway, then you have to sit down. Okay?
Layla's gonna end up.
All right. So Simon says Lofi. Simon says T. Simon says left punch. Simon says high V. Low V. Oh, that's awesome art. All right, we're gonna do it again. Okay? All right. So we're gonna go through the motions one more time without Simon Says. A little bit faster.
Are you been doing summer school?
So we're gonna start high V,
I signed Cole up and then I
left.
realized
Low V,
he's got another thing
clap.
another week and I'm like,
T,
oh, never mind.
clap. Right punch. Oops, sorry. Goal post. Sorry. Clap. Right punch.
The one that likes to play video games, right?
Clap. Left punch.
He been up all night still.
Clap.
I don't know how they do it. I need my sleep.
Right.
He been up since
Clap.
yesterday.
Left.
Does he hit a
Clap.
wall eventually
He
and
crashed
knock
on
out?
the
Right.
They have a game
So my
test,
cheerleaders
so
are
he
gonna
hit the
help
pole,
me.
he ain't gotta go that
Say
far.
the motion.
He learned his lesson
So
from
it's
sitting in the
high
chair.
V, low V.
Nope, Landon, leave her alone. She's gonna go back down there.
Hey. Big G, little O.
Big G, little O, go! Go! 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 Big G, little O, go! Go!
Okay, break it down. So we're gonna start with the stomp, tap, stomp, stomp, tap, stomp. Okay, alright. So right, tap, left, left, tap. Right, tap, left, my bad. Stomp. Okay? So right, tap, left, left, tap, stomp. And for your hit. Right, tap, left, tap,
Oh, she
stomp.
got 80
And
days.
for your hits. Right, tap, left, left, tap,
Let's go to the
stomp.
ground.
And swell your hip. Right, tap, left, left, tap, stop. And swell your hip. Right, tap, left, left, tap, stop. And swell your hip. John Lincoln! Don't take no up. John! Now we're going to move on, okay? So now we're going to move on to the Lincoln. Because we are alive. Okay? Because we are alive.
Hi, babe.
Okay. Lincoln, don't take no up. John Lincoln, 'cause we are
Layla, say hey what? Say hey what?
I'm just sweaty.
Hey, what? 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow. Here we go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, now we go back to. Yeah, good job, guys.
Yay! Where are you going, Jack?
The water break.
We need to pray.
5, 6, 7, 8.
This one's a fast song.
Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, the dance is called Shasta. You guys say Shasta? So the first move, you're going to take your pom-pom. Got your pom-pom, right? You're going to take your pom-pom and wave it to your right, but also step to your right as well. And you pop toe with your leg. Yep, but both arms are going to go to the right. I was going to say, you guys say to the right. Okay, you're going to shift to your left. Okay, there you go, down right. And then over left. Got it? Good job. So we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Down, down. Got it? We'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. And keep it facing the opposite way. And you do the same exact thing, okay? What happened?
Next time,
You guys got it?
open up like everybody's last year's pom-pom, and they'll have a nice
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, we're gonna do the same exact thing. So face this way. Ready? Stay this way.
You take a lot of breaks, kid.
Okay, guys, ready? We're gonna stop the beginning.
Yes.
Got it? Guys, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
That doesn't.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fritos.
5, 2, 3, 4. So it should be facing forward.
Uh-oh.
It's on the bottom.
On the bottom.
Okay, guys, got it?
Open the bottom.
We're gonna do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Rolling. Ready? Ready?
Oh, it's
Oh, okay.
They all know it because of trolls. That's the only reason they know it.
5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4.
She's turned the wrong way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry. I thought I could play the song and record at the same time. Sorry.
5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2,
on there dancing too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Big G, little O, go, go. 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 Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive. Lincoln, don't take no Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive. Last time. Lincoln, don't take no Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive.
High knees.
Hi,
Clap.
clap.
Low knees.
Clap, clap.
T.
Clap.
Right foot.
Clap. Clap. Right punch. Clap. Left punch. Clap. Right. Clap. Left. Clap.
We're almost done.
Okay, we're gonna speed it up just a little bit, okay? You guys ready? High V. Clap. Low V. T. Go pose. Right punch. Left punch.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Left.
Oh, those are yours.
Right
You do
there.
it by yourself?
Yeah, tired.
Tell us. Ready? High V. Right
Yay!
Can they do the jive one by themselves? I like that one.
Hey, you guys gonna do jive. You guys ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Lincoln. Don't take no
Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive. Lincoln,
Don't take no
Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive.
Last time.
Lincoln,
Don't take no
Jive Lincoln, 'cause we are alive.
Yay!
We're gonna start with the tuck, okay? That's when the legs are to your chest, okay?
All right, pay attention.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you jump on 6, okay? Your legs should be up to your chest on 6. Got it? We'll do that one again. The tug, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, we're gonna do it one more time.
Pay attention.
5,